Howdy folks, Josh here with the Weekend Angler, dodging raindrops on this dreary Sunday afternoon at Rend Lake. But I've been out here this afternoon in search of some pre-spawn channel catfish, and I've come up with some, so stick around.
Bad little channel. Beat up male. Got one fish. Got us an old beat up male, man. Look how you get that mush mouth going on. Hi, buddy. Number one. A little bit of redemption from yesterday. That riprap along that shoreline continues on down into the water. You can feel it down there when you reel the bait up a little bit. Old beat up male, he come out of there bit pretty good. And I think he was rolled up in that line, which is why he fought like a heavier fish. That's one. We'll take it. fish, though. Alright guys, let's get this big guy unhooked. We'll get some grippers on him and get him weighed. I've seen one this big come out of Rend Lake. Hefty little fish. Wait. Alright, scale zeroed out. Even. Right at 14, guys. That is a nice channel cat. Nice channel cat there. Alright, 14 pounds, good channel cat, guys. Where's that big old male go? See ya. Definitely the biggest one I've caught out of Rend. Definitely the biggest one I've caught. Alright guys, not a lot of fish today, but definitely some quality fish, and that was a big male. So we're going to stick around a little while longer. We're dodging raindrops right now. We've got some rain moving in on us, but boat ramp's right over there, so we'll keep on and fish until Mother Nature runs us off. So we'll get that rebaited, get back out there, and try to get another one like that. That was a nice fish. So see you guys in a minute. We'll go back out there, let them be, see if we can know. Alright guys, well that's going to just about do it for today's video. The rain is getting ready to move on us, and it's going to be a little bit heavier than what we've been dodging all afternoon here. So
think it's time to go ahead and get off the water, get headed back towards the house. But not a lot of fish today. Several bites, several good takedowns that just didn't hook up. But patience and persistence sitting out here really paid off today, because a 14-pound channel cat is not a bad fish, no matter how you slice it. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and then hit the little bell right next to it. That'll give you notifications anytime I post a new video or go live. Guys, the water's starting to get a little warmer, and that means the fish are going to start getting fired up too. So we'll have more to bring you real soon. Until next time, we'll catch you out on the water.